Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Impala LT. This front wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And it also comes with your 18-inch painted alloy wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our half cloth, half leather seating with a black lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.